Assalamu alaikum student. Today we are going to discuss class 5 mathematics chapter operations in number. This is taken from the book Math Carnival and we are going to study its unit 7, which is dividing large number. Let's start with the learning outcomes of this unit. At the end of this unit you will be able to divide large numbers by two-digit numbers. Division by two-digit number. An example here is given for you. Here you can see that the number 7657 is divided by 13. So we will start with the first digit, which is 7. 7 is smaller than 13. It does not come in the table of 13. So we will move toward the second digit, which is 6. 76. 76 again does not come in the table of 13, but less than 76 come, which is 65. So if you multiply 13 with 5, you will get 65. The next step is, after multiplying the 13 with 5, we will subtract the numbers. Now 6 minus 5 equals to 1 and 7 minus 6 equals to 1. Here the remainder is 11. 11 again is less than 13. So we have to copy down one more number from the question, which is 5. So after copying down 5, the number is 115. Now 115 does not come in the table of 13, but less than 115 comes if you multiply 13 with 8. 13 8s are 104. Now we'll subtract them again. 5 minus 4 1, 1 minus 0 1 and 1 minus 1 0. So the remainder is here again 11. 11 again is less than 13, so we have to copy down one more number from the question, which is 7. Now it will become 117. If we read the table of 13 till 9, we will get 117. In the last step, we will subtract them. 7 minus 7 0, 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 1 0. So there is no remainder. It is completely solved. So you can say that 7657 is completely divisible by 13. The quotient is 589 and the remainder is 0. Now move toward the next example. Here a 5-digit number 83,749, we have to divide it by 17. Let's start with the first digit. The first digit is 8, which is smaller than 17. So we'll move toward the next digit, 83. 83 does not come in the table of 17, but less than 83 come, which is 68. Means if you multiply 17 with 4, we will get 68. Now in the next step, we will subtract these two numbers. We cannot subtract 8 from 3 because 3 is a smaller value, so we'll borrow 1 from 8. So 8 will become 7 and 13 will be, and 3 will become 13. 13 minus 8 5 and 7 minus 6 1. So the remainder is 15 here. 15 again is less than 17, so we'll add one more number from the question, which is 7. Now the number is become 157. 157 does not come in the table of 17, but less than 157 come if you multiply 17 by 9. 17 9s are 153. So after writing these numbers, we will subtract these two values. 7 minus 3 4, 5 minus 5 0, 1 minus 1 0. So here the remainder is 4. So we'll copy down one more digit from the question, which is 4, and it will become 44. 17 2s are 34, which is again less than 44. We'll subtract them. 4 minus 4 0, 4 minus 3 1, 10. Now the remainder is 10. Again 10 is smaller than 17, so we'll copy down our last digit from the question, which is 9. So we'll read the table of 17 till 6, which is 102, again less than 109, so we'll subtract them. 9 minus 2 7, 0 minus 0 0, 1 minus 1 0. So here the remainder is 7 and the quotient is 4926. Means if we divide 83,749 with 17, the quotient is 4926 and the remainder is 7. Means This number is not completely divisible by 17 because of the remainder. Can you divide this number? Here 4-digit number is given and you have to divide it by 2-digit number, which is 12. Hopefully you can do it easily. Good luck and thank you.